So this arrived today. Some contention in the community about it, as it's not cheap. So yeah, I'm not going to get into that. Let's see. Ooh, cardboard. More cardboard. Box. What's in here, I wonder? Oh well. Oh well. Okay. That's got tape on it, so I'll need to de-tape that, untape that. Where's a knife? Here is a knife. Here's a knife. Oh, sounds like the postie has stopped outside. It goes down like that. Or does it go in there? Well, sounds like the postie's outside. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. CD I ordered, I think. Sorry for this small diversion. Oh, Little River Band. God. This actually wasn't cheap. 1988. Yeah, 1988, Little River Band. Love is a Bridge. I think it's a pretty nice song. Anyway, back to this. So I assume it looks like I just go down like that. Well, I am anyway. Okie dokie. Cardboard. Gruel. I should not share that personal code that I just flashed on the screen with anyone. Okie dokie. You didn't see that, did you? Oh, I might have to cut that out. So this is the manual. Fairly decent. Okay. Serial devices. Basic 65 reference. Okay. Always read the manual first. Okay. Okay, you got when you first launch, you get an onboarding screen, setting time, blah blah blah. Yeah, I think I'll definitely be reading that first. So this, I assume, is power supply. Multinational. Ooh. Okay. That is a funky supply. Oh, do I have my glasses? Just stand by. Output 12 volts, 2.5 amps, 30 watts. Okay. All right. Australia. There's a T that looks into there. So I assume we just go like that. There, done. Okay. Power supply is ready. Another box gone. Okay. Let's get these out of the way. User's manual. Okay. Yes, I'm sure I won't do any of those things. Okay. Let's get that out. So, bit of damage there, but I can tape that up. I'm a big boy. So I think the ZX Sinclair Next, Spectrum Next, probably had better boxing. Yeah, I think the boxing on the Next was much better, although it also came ripped. So, okay. Looks like the same thing here. There we go. Et voila. What do you want to see, the cardboard box or this? This is an interesting. There we go. Oh, keys feel nice. I like the keys. I do like the keys. Okay, that pushes in. Does it come out again? Let me get the floppy. Where is the floppy? 5 1/4, 8 inch, 3 inch. Where are the 3 1/2 inch? La 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 la. En Mattie, Mr. Delt, Miss Olvat. Somewhere I have 3 1/2 inch discs. Maybe, well, I do have a big disc pile. I don't have, these are 5 1/4. La 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 la. Whenever you need one, you can find one. What's in here? Okay. That's 3 inch discs. Oh, we'll worry about that later. Okay, sorry about that. So, should I turn it on? The keyboard is nice. Serial number 682. Okie dokie. Oh, okay. Access to the SD card. Okay. SD card and 2, what was that, 12? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 2 12-pin headers down there. I'll find out about, no doubt, if I read the manual. Oh, okay, so there's another, okay, so micro SD there, audio, HDMI, LAN cable, VGA, which is good. Well, of course, I can do either on this one. And external disk drive. And le power. So, I guess that is, this one is maybe for the cores or something. It doesn't push in. Probably read the manual. Do not remove that card. Okay. Oh, cool. Knowing me, I'm going to lose it in there, just like I did on my Weirdo X40 printer. This is not exactly the right way to do it. Made in Germany as well, I see. There we go, in like this. Yep, doesn't click in. just pushes in. All right, well, let me get the rather large power supply hooked up, and let's see, we'll go for HDMI. Stand by. Okay, power is in, power is on, HDMI is on, plugged in. Let me readjust. Okay. There's the screen. Good old yo. Input HDMI. Okay, can we get both in the shot? Let me just reposition. I'll be back. How is that? All right. Power switch on that side. Okay. Wow, that boots quickly. Okay. Before you go further, there are a couple of things you need to do. Press F3 to F13 to set the time and date, which I don't know because it's on my phone. So F3. Oh, okay. So, okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, let me just check the time quickly. Actually, I'm guessing, I'm guessing F5, probably have some NTP maybe if it's got network connectivity. I've gone way past it. It's approximately 1:54 now. And it is F9 for, let's do the year first, 2000, eh? All right. 2020, it is May, May still, and it is, I do like it when it has the day on it, because then you know you got the right date. Was it the 16th today? 16th? Was it the 17th? I don't know. Let's just say it's the 17th. Actually, I'll be back. Yep, it is indeed the 17th. Okay, so video. DVI, no sound, NTSC 60 Hz, PAL 50 Hz, enhanced with sound, NTSC 60 Hz, PAL 50 Hz, DVI. Okay, so I'm using HDMI, and this does have speakers built in, I think, so we should be able to go enhanced. And we go 50 Hz. Apply, space to apply in test mode. Okay, we'll revert on fail after 15 seconds. All right, try it, yes. Okay, yep, looks all right. Let's keep that for now. Test audio, set for demo, okay. A to play a tune. Do I have it on mute? How does one? I don't know what is the volume on this thing. I did hear something. That'll do for now. CRT emulation enabled, disabled, disabled. Return. Yep, sorry, there is no disc in there. Okay, intro disc number 1. Shall I zoom in on that? Shall I be capturing this to a capture card? Amateur. Here we go. Try to do it smoothly. Okay, press any key to begin. Demo game music utility. Okay. Okay. Camelot 1536 dots. Okay, let's start it. Running pretty smooth. Now you show me being an amateur Commodore person. Ta-da. Cool. Okay. Music utility. What's utility? Go 64. Okay. Designer. PAL edit. RAM test. Test card. Vector clock. Yapid. This will just mount C64.D81 before Go 64. Okay. And there we go. Okay, well, so that was just a brief little play. I've got to read the manual before I do anything more. Get the most out of it. But yeah, nice bit of kit. Expensive, probably not worth it. Certainly I wouldn't be buying this just to try and flip it like the ZX Next, Spectrum Next. I like it, yeah. I'm going to enjoy using this, getting to know it. Oh well, hopefully that wasn't too much of a ramble.